If you want to visit a place that is in contact with nature, Kintia Panki is a great place to visit with your family or friends, because in this place you can do some activities. This place is surrounded by greenery, beautiful fields, and is located quite close to Sucua City. This place is located in Sucua City, in Morona, Santiago province. This province is east of Chimborazo and is north of Zamora Chinchipe province. And from the yellow star, you have to go down to the southeast diagonally. Don't strain until you reach Mercado Primero de Mayo. Then you turn right and go straight until you reach the graveyard. Kintia Panki is southwest of Sucua, and from the graveyard it's 25 minutes if you travel by car. As long as you continue on that path, you will pass through a community college, Asunción, this, of the shore culture, but you have to go straight until you find a sign that will be on the side of the road, like this. In Kintia Panki, you will be able to get in touch with the shore culture and enjoy the view of waterfalls and rivers where you can swim freely. It's a nice place to relax because you can also do sports like tubing and be part of a ritual of their culture. This is tubing. The locals tell you the history of their culture, take you for a walk in the area. They have a lot of handicrafts like necklaces, earrings, or snake bells. If you like dress, you with native clothes of the culture, and they give you a little chicha de yuca and some of native food. They also introduce you to the typical shore dance, and if you want, you can participate in the dance. Also, if you want to dive in the water, they should ask permission for the waterfall as a form of respect. This place is well cared for by a shore family. You should visit it because it's a place where you can contemplate a lot of nature and listen to the animals around and interact with the shore culture. It's recommended to go when it's a sunny day, as you will be able to observe the amazing nature in the Amazon. Thank you so much.